Sorry, I'm going to resume that. This is the master. We're going into there. This bedroom here, there was a little bit of work done. That used to be the back window, so it's been covered up. And then this wall that we just walked in through, that was the old doorway. This is the new doorway. And then this is just all been redone here. Bathroom, this is the kids' bathroom, and you've got your toilet over here, and your shower's going to be over here. This bathroom's actually going to be pretty cool. It's going to have a lot of tile work done, which will start after drywall and paint. We've got a small closet, as you can see here, and then no replacement window. And then we're going into the master. This is kind of cool. It's got a vaulted ceiling in here. Sorry, the scaffolding's in the way. We got a recessed for the TV, the fireplace, patio doors going out to their small balcony. You got a couple windows, and then we'll show you over here. This is the hallway. This is the end of that hall is where the staircase from downstairs, the mudroom, picks up. And then over here, you've got the closet. Pretty decent sized closet. I would like that in my house. And then over here, we've got some cable and power runs, and those are going to be so they can put their receivers and the DVD players and cable boxes and all that in here. And then there's a pipe that runs into this one so they can pull their wires through, and everything will be here, except you won't have to see any of it. It'll all get run through that way. This is that hallway. This is attic space, which leads up to where the furnace is for this upper part. The old house, it was almost impossible to get air conditioning in here, so we had to put the furnace above. And then finally, I'm going to bring you to the bathroom. You can see the drywall is a little different here. It's called Durarock, and it's for the tile that's going to be in the shower, which you're looking at right there. There, behind that, you can see the insulation that we use. It's that cellulose that I talked to you about, and it's that's actually not an exterior wall. It's made that's all for sound proofing the master suite from the rest of the house, so that way they can keep things quiet from the kids if the kids are crying or whatever. And then you can see Durarock all along the side. This is the tub. There's going to be tile all through there, and then shower tile coming down, and then the floor of the shower, which is it's a port pan, so it'll all be tiled down there as well. And then you got your vanities. So that's where we're at right now. Thanks for taking some time and checking this out, and we will report back soon. Have a good day. Thanks. Bye.